Hello student, our today's topic is cash journal. What is the business scenario for cash journal? The accounting manager mentions that his team handles various kinds of transactions in cash. These transactions have to be saved locally and posted transformed to the general ledger every day. You tell the account manager about cash journal tool, which is the part of bank accounting available in SAP S for HANA Finance. The accounting manager wants to set up cash journal in SAP system. What do you mean by cash journal? The cash journal is a tool for managing cash in SAP S for HANA Finance. It is the part of bank accounting in SAP. It supports hosting cash receipts and cash payments. The cash journal is one of the SAP S for HANA accounting business transactions that you can process on a single screen. On this single screen, you can enter, display, change, copy, and delete cash journal entries. You can save cash journal entries locally in the cash journal subledger and copy or delete them. The cash journal entries saved are posted to the general ledger, for example, at the end of the working day. So you can also print the cash journal entries you have saved, that is receipts, as well as cash journal entries posted in the time period display. So the print forms are selected in customizing form. The follow-on documents are posted as a result of cash journal entries are displayed. For creating cash journal, we have to create ledger. Firstly, we will create the cash journal ledger. Ensure that the account can only be posted to automatically and display a unique account currency. If you want to run several cash journals with different currencies in this account, make sure that the indicator balances in local currency only is not set. The account currency corresponds to the company code currency. For that, we can go by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Bank Accounting, Business Transaction, Cash Journal. SAP में जाते हैं और कैश जर्नल डिफाइन करेंगे. फर्स्टली वी विल क्रिएट दी लेजर. For creating ledger, enter FS00 in command field. Enter your GL account number which you want to create. We will give number 100010. Click on with template. Enter GL, कैश GL लेते हैं जिससे हम कॉपी करेंगे कंपनी कोड एंड देन कंटिन्यू. Change the name to petty cash account. Copying it. Select the petty cash ledger. Petty cash, petty cash. ओके, क्रिएट करते हैं हम पेटी कैश लेजर. FSP0. One 5 with template YGR1 with the template cash account YGR1. Petty cash account. then save. Now assign here petty cash account. Then click on control data. Then click on create bank. Change the sort key to 002. And then save. Click on post automatic only and then click on save it. So हमारा लेजर जनरेट हो गया.